In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Visa gift card on Dhgate. If you've got a Visa gift card and want to spend it on Dhgate, the process is very similar to paying with a regular card. Before we begin, make sure the card is activated, check the remaining balance, and keep the security code handy. Some prepaid cards also work best when a billing zip code has been set with the issuer, so have that ready if you've registered one. First, go to dhgate.com and shop for the items you want. Add the products to your cart just like you normally would. When you're done browsing, look to the upper right-hand corner of the page and open your cart. Take a moment to review everything in your cart. This is where you check your orders, confirm the sizes or variations, quantities, shipping options, and the total cost. If your total is higher than the balance on your gift card, keep in mind that many sites don't split one order across multiple payment methods. Using coupons can help bring the total within your card's balance. Now click Get Coupon and Checkout. Apply any available coupon, then proceed to the payment section. When the payment methods appear, choose the option to pay with a new card. This tells Dhgate you're adding a card for this purchase. Next, add your Visa gift card. Enter the card number exactly as shown, then the expiration date. Depending on your screen, you may also see a field for the security code and a name. Fill these in as requested. If a billing address or zip is required, use the details associated with your gift card. This helps the bank approve the transaction for an online, international purchase. When your details are in, click Apply. Dhgate will validate the card and calculate your payable amount based on your balance and the order total. Watch for any on-screen message confirming the card was accepted. If something doesn't go through, double-check the balance. Make sure the currency and total don't exceed what's available, and verify that your card allows online and cross-border transactions. Sometimes simply re-entering the information carefully solves it. That's it. You've added and applied your Visa gift card on Dhgate, and you're ready to move forward with your purchase. Keep the card until your items arrive, just in case a refund or adjustment is issued back to it. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!